Adults and high school students were asked 4 trivia questions. The number of correct answers given by each was recorded. To the right is a table showing results. What's the probability that a randomly selected participant is a student? So we see we have a total of 153 students and the total participants are 301. So 153 over 301. And we get 0.508. That's 4 decimal places, 0.5083. What's the probability a randomly selected participant had fewer than 2 correct answers? So fewer than 2 means 0 or 1. So these two total the 0. This is the total of the 0 answers, and this is the total of 1 answer. So 56 plus 43 is 99. And the total is 301. So 99 divided by 301. .3289. What's the probability a randomly selected participant is an adult or had no correct answers? So adults are in this first row. No correct answers are in this first column. So it's the same situation where we have to count all the elements of this row and all the elements of this column, but we don't count the 9 twice. So in this case, it's easier to do it by the formula because the totals have already been done for us. So we want adult or no correct answers. So it's like probability adult or 0. So according to the formula, it'd be probability of adults plus probability of 0 minus probability of adults and 0. So adults are 148. Zero answers are 56. And adults and 0. Adults and 0, that's 9. So it's just like the same thing that we were doing before. We in these two sums we have counted 9 twice, so you subtract it off once. And that totals to 195. So 195 divided by 301. Is 0.6478. What's the probability that a randomly selected participant is an adult and had 4 answers? Now, and is much easier than or, because adult and 4 answers is just this entry. So 30 divided by 301. We're always dividing by the total. So that's 0.0997. If PE is 0.5, PE or F is 0.6, PE and F is 0.2, find PF. So let's write down the formula. The formula is P E over F is equal to PE plus PF minus PE and F. And now substitute the values. PE over F is given. PE over F is 0.6. So this first entry is 0.6. PE is 0.5. So this is 0.5. PF has to be calculated and PE and F is 0.2. So it's basically an algebra equation. You think of P of F like an X. So you have 0.6 equals 0.5 plus X minus 0.2. So what you do is 0.5 minus 0.2 is 0.3. And when you subtract 0.3 from both sides, you get 0.6 minus 0.3. So that will be 0.3.